Hi, my name is Alice from Installation Specialist Limited, your one-stop shop for all your building finishing materials. Today, I am here to talk about the different plaster boards we have and their uses. We have the standard boards, the moisture resistance board, the fireproof board, the waterproof board, and the cement board. Plaster boards are used along with galvanized profiles for partitioning and sealing in commercial and residential buildings to create a smooth and decorated finish. These and many more products we have at Installation Specialist. We are located at Circle, Asoredanho Junction, just on the Nsawam Road, or our Tema branch after the Ashaiman Tulaku Roundabout, and also at East Legon, Nanakrom. You can also call us on 0245 381 415 or 0540 105573.